Welcome to Dibrugarh, the tea city of India. Nestled in the northeastern part of the country, this vibrant city is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Known for its lush tea gardens and the mighty Brahmaputra river, Dibrugarh offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. It's in the northeastern state of Assam, a region renowned for its diverse landscapes and rich heritage. Assam is not just about tea, it's a land of festivals, wildlife and warm-hearted people. This city is beautiful, has a rich culture and is really important to the area. The streets of Dibrugarh are always bustling with activity, showcasing a vibrant mix of traditional and modern lifestyles. From local markets brimming with fresh produce to cultural festivals that light up the city, there's always something happening here. Here the big Brahmaputra river flows through the land. This river is not just a geographical feature, it's the lifeline of the region, supporting agriculture, transportation, and daily life. The sight of the Brahmaputra, especially during sunrise and sunset, is truly mesmerizing. The riverbanks are covered with tea gardens that go on forever. These tea plantations are the heart and soul of Dibrugarh, producing some of the finest Assam tea that is cherished worldwide. Walking through these gardens, you can feel the essence of nature and the hard work of the tea workers. You can smell the Assam tea and see all the different cultures. The aroma of freshly plucked tea leaves fills the air, and the sight of people in traditional attire adds to the cultural tapestry of the city. Dibrugarh is a melting pot of various communities, each contributing to its unique identity. Let's explore Dibrugarh and find out what makes it so special. From its scenic landscapes to its rich cultural heritage, Dibrugarh has something for everyone. Whether you're a nature lover, a history enthusiast, or just someone looking to experience the warmth of Assamese hospitality, this city will leave you enchanted. So come along and discover the magic of Dibrugarh. Let's start by looking at where Dibrugarh is. It's in northeast India, nestled in the heart of Assam. This region is known for its lush landscapes, rich culture and vibrant communities. Dibrugarh is often referred to as the tea city of India because of its vast tea gardens that stretch as far as the eye can see. But beyond its tea, Dibrugarh holds a special place due to its proximity to one of the mightiest rivers in the world. In the middle of Assam, Dibrugarh stands as a testament to the region's natural beauty and cultural heritage. The landscape here is a mesmerizing blend of rolling hills, dense forests, and expansive plains. The air is filled with the scent of blooming flowers and the songs of countless birds. It's a place where nature and humanity coexist in perfect harmony. Right by the Brahmaputra river, Dibrugarh thrives. The river is not just a geographical feature, it's the lifeblood of the region. Flowing majestically, it brings with it stories of ancient civilizations, tales of trade, and a promise of sustenance. The Brahmaputra is a constant companion to the people of Dibrugarh, shaping their lives in countless ways. This huge river starts in the Himalayas, where it is known as the Yarlung Tsangpo. It travels through Tibet, breaking through the Himalayas in a dramatic gorge before entering India. The journey of the Brahmaputra is one of the most fascinating river journeys in the world, traversing diverse terrains and cultures. It's super important to this area. The Brahmaputra provides water for drinking, irrigation and industry. Its waters nourish the tea gardens, rice paddies and other crops that are the backbone of the local economy. The river's presence is a blessing. Ensuring that the land remains fertile and productive, it gives people water and shapes the land. The river's annual floods, while sometimes destructive, also bring rich silt that rejuvenates the soil. This natural process has been occurring for centuries, creating the lush, green landscapes that Assam is famous for. The Brahmaputra is a force of nature, both feared and revered by those who live along its banks. The river flows past Dibrugarh, reflecting the sky. On a clear day, the waters of the Brahmaputra mirror the azure sky, creating a breathtaking spectacle. The river's surface shimmers with the colors of the sky, offering a serene and tranquil view that soothes the soul. It's a sight that has inspired poets, artists and dreamers for generations. It also makes it easy to get to other places. The Brahmaputra serves as a vital transportation route, connecting remote villages and towns. Boats of all sizes ply its waters, carrying people, goods and stories from one place to another. The river is a bustling highway, teeming with life and activity. There are good roads and train tracks. Dibrugarh is well connected by a network of roads and railways, making it accessible from various parts of the country. The roads wind through picturesque landscapes, while the trains offer a scenic journey through the heart of Assam. These transportation links are crucial for the movement of people and goods, fostering economic growth and cultural exchange. The Dibrugarh airport is busy and connects this part of India to big cities all over the country. The airport is a gateway to the northeast, facilitating travel and trade. With flights to major cities like Delhi, Kolkata, and Guwahati, it ensures that Dibrugarh remains connected to the rest of India and the world. The airport is a symbol of progress and development, reflecting the aspirations of the people of Dibrugarh. Dibrugarh is all about the smell of Assam tea. It's right in the middle of where this famous tea comes from. Huge tea farms like green blankets cover the land around the city. These farms are more than just fields. They're like little worlds where people have grown tea for a long time. The tea gardens are amazing. Rows and rows of tea plants go on as far as you can see. Dibrugarh has a warm and wet climate, which is perfect for growing tea. The summers are long and hot, and the monsoon season brings lots of rain. The sun and the rain help the tea leaves grow and taste great. The air smells like wet dirt and sweet tea. The winters are mild and cool, a nice break from the heat. The changing seasons help keep Dibrugarh green and beautiful. Dibrugarh is also a mix of different cultures, with traditions passed down through families. Assamese culture is very important here, with its own language, music and dance. Bihu is the biggest festival here. It's full of bright clothes, traditional music and exciting dances. But there are other cultures here too. Lots of Bengali and Marwari people live in Dibrugarh, adding even more to the mix. All these different people make Dibrugarh a very interesting place. Dibrugarh is a busy centre in northeast India. Known for its vibrant culture and rich history, this city is a hub of activity and growth. The streets are always bustling with people, vehicles and a sense of purpose. From the early morning hours to late at night, Dibrugarh never seems to sleep. The city is a blend of traditional and modern, with ancient temples standing alongside new shopping malls and business centres. It's easy to get to other places, which shows how much it has grown. The marketplaces are always filled with locals and tourists alike, buying and selling goods and enjoying the vibrant atmosphere. The city's growth is evident in its expanding infrastructure and the increasing number of businesses setting up shop here. Dibrugarh is not just a city, it's a thriving community that welcomes everyone with open arms. The Dibrugarh airport is modern and connects this area to other big cities in India. With its state-of-the-art facilities, the airport handles thousands of passengers every day. It serves as a gateway to the rest of the country, making travel convenient and efficient. The airport's design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, reflecting the spirit of Dibrugarh. The airport is really important for the people here. It provides a vital link for business travelers, tourists and residents. For many, the airport is the first impression of Dibrugarh, and it does not disappoint. The staff is friendly and professional, ensuring that every passenger has a pleasant experience. The airport also plays a crucial role in the local economy, providing jobs and supporting businesses. It helps with business, tourism, and staying connected to family and friends. Business travelers find the airport's facilities conducive to their needs, with meeting rooms and lounges available. Tourists appreciate the ease of access to Dibrugarh's many attractions, from tea gardens to historical sites. For families, the airport is a place of emotional reunions and farewells, making it a significant part of their lives. The train station is also busy, with trains coming and going all the time. It is a hub of activity with passengers from all walks of life. The station is well maintained and offers various amenities to ensure a comfortable journey. Trains connect Dibrugarh to numerous destinations, making it an essential part of the city's transportation network. The rhythmic sound of trains arriving and departing is a constant reminder of the city's connectivity. Good roads go out from Dibrugarh, connecting it to other parts of Assam. The highways are well maintained and facilitate smooth travel for both personal and commercial vehicles. These roads are the lifelines that link Dibrugarh to the rest of the region, supporting trade, tourism and daily commutes. The scenic routes offer beautiful views of Assam's landscapes, making every journey a pleasant experience. Whether by air, rail or road, Dibrugarh is well connected, ensuring that it remains a vital part of northeast India. Tea is super important to Dibrugarh, but there are other businesses here too. Oil and natural gas were found here, making it a big place for the energy industry. Big companies like Oil India Limited and ONGC are here, bringing lots of jobs. Farming is also important. The land near the Brahmaputra river is good for growing rice, which is a main food in Assam. There are lots of cool things to see in and around Dibrugarh. The Tilinga Mandir is a temple for Lord Shiva just outside the city. It's shaped like a bell, which is special. Dibrugarh University is a big school here. It was built in 1965. Close to Dibrugarh is a small town called Mubtu by the Brahmaputra river. They have a big celebration for Holi, the festival of colours. Outside of Dibrugarh, there are amazing places to see animals. Kaziranga National Park is close by. It's a special place with one-horned rhinos. The Mishmi Hills are beautiful, with green slopes and foggy mountains. You can hike there and see cool plants and animals. You can also take a boat trip on the Brahmaputra river and see the beautiful scenery. Education is important in Dibrugarh. There are lots of schools and colleges here. These schools teach kids of all ages, helping them learn and grow. Dibrugarh University is a really good school, and it's right here in the city. Lots of smart teachers work there, helping students learn. Dibrugarh is always changing. It keeps its traditions but also adds new things. There are new buildings, better roads and better hospitals. The city is working hard to make life better for everyone who lives here. Dibrugarh is a great mix of old and new. It has famous tea gardens and busy markets. There's something for everyone here. If you like tea, nature, or learning about different cultures, you should visit Dibrugarh. Come see this special place in India.